Hello everyone. So let's start next set of questions here we have and begin our practice. Very first question in front of you. This integration form includes the development of common market by harmonization of national economic policies such as competition policy, financial regulation, product standards, etc. So which type of, you can say, integration works for this: preferential trade area, custom unions, economic union, or common market? So your answer would be this option C, that is economic union work by harmonization of national economic policies such as competition policy, financial regulations. इनको देखकर ही ये सारी मार्केट काम करती है, right? Next question. These are the questions from your unit 1 students and we are here having practice of these questions so that आपको idea मिल जाए आपकी UGC नेट एग्जाम में कैसे question आने वाले हैं, and this would make your practice more easy. You will get to know the questions, and yes, this is a very helpful thing. जो आपकी practice चल रही है UGC नेट की, उसमें आपको बहुत ज़्यादा helpful रहेंगे. Coming to the next question, what type of trade impact is encouraged when nations of a regional trading bloc try to harmonize economic policies and standards within member nations, and reducing the prices like trade restrictions are removed? So which type of trade is impacted or affected by this? Trade diversion होता है इससे, trade creation होती है, trade randomness होती है, trade flow होता है. So when नेशंस जो है अपने अंदर रीजनल ट्रेड ब्लॉक क्रिएट करते हैं, इससे ट्रेड क्रिएट हो रहा है. सो दैट इज ट्रेड क्रिएशन. वी विल गो विद ऑप्शन बी, दैट इज ट्रेड क्रिएशन. द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज, some people say that a regional trade bloc encourages member nations to buy within the regional trading bloc. क्रिएट करने से जो मेंबर नेशन है, जो भी वो अपने ट्रेडिंग करते हैं वो रीजनल ट्रेड ब्लॉक में ही करते हैं व्हेन चीपर सोर्सेज आर अवेलेबल आउटसाइड. लेकिन as you know, cheaper sources bahar bhi ho, still they have to do the trade internally also. So which of the following type of trade is trade impact is created under such situation? What is the result? Is there is a trade diversion. हम divert हो रहे हैं from cheaper to the expensive thing. The next is, consider the following statements. Here we have assertion. Assertion is WTO is seeking to create free trade. WTO फ्री ट्रेड क्रिएट कर रहा है, राइट? रीजन, देयर इज एप्रीहेंशन दैट रीजनल ट्रेडिंग ब्लॉक सच एज यूरोपियन यूनियन कैन लीड टू प्रोटेक्शनिज्म. यूरोपियन यूनियन से प्रोटेक्शनिज्म क्रिएट हो रही है. सो is this right? Yes, both A and R are correct, and R is the right explanation of assertion. Moving to the next question, question 70. Which of the following statement is true about a multinational company? MNC से related कौन सी यहाँ पर option सही है? An MNC is one which owns or controls production or services facilities in more than one country. Yes, it's true. MNCs can be ranked according to the amount of foreign assets they control. Yes, ranking की जाती है. MNCs can be ranked according to transnationality index. Yes, so all of the above is your answer. We will go with option D here. Then next question, question 71. Which of the following are the benefits of creating MNC? से क्या benefit है? Costs can be reduced. Let's have a look on all these options. Firstly, costs can be reduced, expansion of sales. Then we have secured supply, development of conducive organizational structure. Yes, technology transfer to the recipient nation में technology transfer होती है, हम इस option को भी consider करेंगे. So I think your option B will be your answer. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 all are correct. Okay, then नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, द मेजर आउटकम ऑफ ब्रेटन वुड्स कॉन्फ्रेंस वॉज. ब्रेटन वुड कॉन्फ्रेंस से मेनली क्या क्रिएट हुआ था? अगर हम एक बार आप ध्यान करते हो, व्हेन आई टॉट यू अबाउट दिस सेशन, there was establishment of IMF, International Monetary Fund, and IBRD, International Bank of Reconstruction and Development. So option D is your answer. IBRD and IMF were created in Bretton Woods. Then next is, out of the following which are the important objectives of IMF? के objectives क्या रहेंगे? So firstly, to promote exchange rate stability. Yes, that's the main motive of it. To create standby reserves. Yes, IMF में ये भी है. To print international currency notes? No, it's not the major objective. To establish a multilateral System of payments, yes. To maintain orderly exchange rate stability, yes. To create employment, no, it's not that. So 3 and 6 option nahi रहेंगे, rest all are there. So option C will be your answer of this question, right? Then next is identify the correct statement here. Read all the statements and choose the correct one. So here we have the Maastricht Treaty signed in February 1992 renamed as European Community as European Economic Community. No, it's not correct. The main objective of the formation of ASEAN Free Trade Area in 1993 was to soften the restrictions on the movement of professionalism in region and helping poorer countries. No, that was not the objective. The SARC is the regional grouping scheme among 6 South Asian countries. No, it's also incorrect. The European Union, including European Monetary Union, was the biggest and most important regional integrative scheme. Yes, it's the biggest one. So option D will be your answer. Option D is only correct statement here given to you. Then a common market क्या होती है? Here we have explanation. You have to choose the correct one. All the trading nations agree to commonly to levy a common and uniform tariff rate for all goods. No, this is not the feature. All the trading nations agree commonly to rationalize the tariffs and non-tariff barriers mutually to promote intra-region trade. आपस में वो mutually decide करते हैं जितने भी उसके अंदर nations हैं. So option B is your answer, right? This is the one of this is the common market feature. Then next question, NAFTA. NAFTA came into force from January 1994, embracing which nations were in these? USA, Canada and Mexico. NAFTA, North American Free Trade Association. Which of the following have been recognized under the international property eligibility for creation of rights as per WTO mandate? Intellectual property eligible for creation of rights. So read all these: computer software, music disc, performing art. Yes, it was included there. Then geographical indicator, ये भी है. Global positioning system, no, this is not the thing. So ये नहीं है. A, B, D के साथ हम जाएंगे. Journals, books, seed, design, brand, ये सब है. A, B, D. And this is the topic which I am even टेकिंग राइट नाउ. ये सेशंस आपके अभी भी मैं कंडक्ट कर रही हूँ, क्लासेस चल रही हैं. In the same channel you can see the playlist of unit 9, and right now I have just done this session. On the top I'm giving you the link of unit 9. Go and watch it, this playlist, intellectual property rights. Next question is, in international trade which of the following is not a non-tariff trade barrier? Non-tariff trade barrier नहीं है, बाकी सब non-tariff trade barriers हैं. So quotas, these are non-tariff trade barriers. Export controls, these are anti-dumping laws, all are non-tariff. Import duty is not a non-tariff, it's a tariff one. So option B is the odd one out here. Then next, consider the following statements. Assertion and reason. Assertion is amended Patent Act in compliance with World Trade Organization provides for the grant of product patent as well as process patent. Product payment भी होते हैं, process payment भी होती है for the period of 20 years. This session I have just done, dear students. On the top I am giving you the link of patents. What are patents and the major facts about it. Go and watch this session also. So this assertion is true. Next, reason. Under this act, Patent Act, patent may be granted to an invention which means a new product or process involving an inventive step. Yes, it's correct. So both A and R are true, and R is the correct explanation of A. Option C will be your answer of 79th question. Next is, consider the following statements. Statement 1 is given to you. TRIPS agreement refers to the conditions or restrictions imposed on foreign investors. Then statement 2 is, TRIPS agreement specifically forbids imposing restrictions on operation of an enterprise which result in protecting domestic products. Both the statements are correct. Option C again will be your answer. Then next is match. Here list 1 is given to you and list 2 is given to you. When you will read, you have to match them. Okay, so let's have a look. Tariff. Firstly we will read this one, tariff. And tariff से related आपको यहाँ पर दिया होगा, tax imposed on product entering a country and used to protect the domestic producer टू और रेज रेवेन्यू, ये डोमेस्टिक प्रोड्यूसर्स को प्रोटेक्ट करने के लिए जो बाहर से इंपोर्ट किया जाता है उस पर जो ड्यूटी लगाई जाती है उसको हम टैरिफ कहते हैं. सो ए का आपका सेकंड रहेगा. लेट्स हैव अ लुक कि यहाँ पर ए का सेकंड किस में दिया गया है. दिस वन. सो ऑप्शन सी विल बी योर आंसर. रेस्ट आप एक बार रीड कीजिएगा बिकॉज ये जानना सारी चीज़ें बहुत ज़रूरी है. ऑप्शन सी के साथ अभी हम जाएंगे एंड ये सारा आपको रीड करना होगा. दिस इज़ योर होमवर्क. ओके, आई एम जस्ट गिविंग यू द this question. This is your list 1, list 2, right? Then moving to the next question, match again. Here it is list 1 and list 2. So tarification, firstly we have tarification. Tarification का means क्या होगा? Replacement of existing non-tariff restrictions को हटाना. So this is A3. Then prohibited which subsidies, this is they have demonstrably adverse effect on other member countries. So B ka they act on goods. Prohibit actionable subsidies, this will be your option 1. So आपका यहाँ पर option C रहेगा. Don't get confused, option C will be your answer of this question. Then next is which one of the following is not the guiding principle of World Bank regarding its lending operation. Means lending operation के time पर वो इस principle को follow नहीं करते हैं. So read all these. Proper assessment of repayment of prospects of loan, no, this is considered. Lending should be only for specific projects, yes, it is also considered. The lending should be to enable a country to meet foreign exchange content, yes. The bank does expect the borrowing country to spend the loan on a particular country, no, it's not that. Biasness नहीं होती है, particular country के ऊपर ऐसा कुछ नहीं होता है. So option D को consider नहीं किया जाता है. Option D will be your answer. Next, question number 84th. Consider the following statements. Here you have assertion. International Finance Corporation IFC contributes to increase sustainable agricultural opportunities, improve health education. Yes, assertion is correct here. Then reason the IFC has focused on a set of development goals. Yes, both A and R are correct and R is the correct explanation of A. So B will be your answer. Right, students? Then next we have 85th question. Select the correct code of following statements being correct or incorrect. You have to tell. Statement 1 we have international liquidity encompasses the international reserves only. ऐसा होता है? ऐसा नहीं है, रिजर्व्स पे नहीं होती. सो स्टेटमेंट 1 इज इनकरेक्ट व्हाइल स्टेटमेंट 2 विल बी योर करेक्ट. व्हेन यू विल रीड स्टेटमेंट 2 इज योर करेक्ट. सो ऑप्शन डी विल बी योर आंसर. देन नेक्स्ट इज मैच. You have to match the list 1 items with list 2 relating to WTO impact. You have this list 1 and list 2. Let's have a look on these. TRIMS, trade related investment measures. So liberalization of international investment. I think C का आपका first जाएगा यहाँ पर. Yes, C first. So here it is given in your option C. Option C will be your answer for this question, right? Then question number next we have consider the following statements. Assertion is given to you. The fall in aggregate expenditure or aggregate demand in the economy works to reduce imports and help in solving the balance of problems, payment problems. And reason is the important way to reduce import and thereby reduce deficit is to adopt monetary and fiscal policy. So you will go with both A and R are correct and R supports A. R is the correct explanation of A. So we will go with option A here, right? Next is question number 88. The different forms of IMF assistance are given below. Identify one which is mainly meant for less developed countries. LDCs के अगर हम LDCs के बारे में देखें तो ये उसके बिहाफ पर दिया गया है. क्रेडिट ट्रांच ड्रॉइंग, extended fund facility, compensatory financing facility is the answer. So option C will be your answer. Next is in case a nation is facing balance of payment crisis, अगर किसी nation के साथ हो रहा है, then which of the following institutions must be approached? किस institution के पास उनको जाना चाहिए? Very first, IMF, International Monetary Fund will help them. Next we have question. Again, with statement 1 and statement 2, you have to tell which statement is correct. Developing countries can borrow more than their quota under extended fund facility. जो IMF की है, इसके अंदर आप कोटा से ज़्यादा बोरो कर सकते हो. Then this extended fund facility को 1984 में बनाया गया था to help developing countries over longer period up to 3 years तक इसमें help दी जाती है. So statement 1 is correct, statement 2 is incorrect here, right? इसमें ऐसा कुछ time period की बात नहीं थी. सो स्टेटमेंट 1 को हम सपोर्ट करते हैं, 2 को नहीं करते. ऑप्शन ए के साथ वी विल गो. नेक्स्ट इज विच वन अमंग द फॉलोइंग इज नॉट अ पार्ट ऑफ ट्रिप्स एग्रीमेंट, ट्रेड रिलेटेड इंटेलेक्चुअल प्रॉपर्टी राइट्स. सो विच वन इज नॉट? इंडस्ट्रियल डिजाइन यस है, जोग्राफिकल इंडिकेशंस है, लेआउट डिजाइंस है, इंटीरियर डिजाइन नहीं होता इसमें. सो ऑप्शन सी इज नॉट द पार्ट ऑफ ट्रिप्स एग्रीमेंट. देन नेक्स्ट इज under TRIPS agreement, patent is granted subject to which of the following? So look at all these points. Here product process is new, contains inventive steps, 15 years या 20 years. So 20 years. So option C नहीं होगा, rest all will be your options. So option B, option C, A, B, D. Option C यहाँ पर आपका आंसर रहेगा A, B, D. C is incorrect one. The next is match the items of list 1 and list 2 regard to international monetary fund. List 1 and list 2 को हमें मैच करना है and then we will see which one is correct for it. Extended fund facility EFF repayment period 4 to 10 years is given. So यहाँ पर जो 3 years था ये नहीं है, 4 to 10 years. So एक आपका first रहेगा. Then STAN arrangements 3 to 5 years. SRF supplementary reserve fund 2 to 5 years. So option A will be your answer because all the options are available in this option only. Next, statement 1 and 2 again you have to match them. Exchange control क्या होता है? Exporters surrender foreign exchange to the central bank. This is the exchange control. Trade policy के साथ क्या होगा? Enhancing the exports by granting subsidies. Expenditure reducing policy is your reduction in foreign exchange rate, bank rate raised by the central bank. Your option A will be your answer here. उसके अकॉर्डिंग आप मैच कीजिएगा. Then next is which among the following is closely associated with intellectual property rights? IPR से related यहाँ पर क्या है? Intellectual property rights. So which one is the correct one? TRIPS, trade related intellectual property rights. Then next is which combination of the following is correct with regard to World Trade Organization? World Trade Organization के context में अगर हम read करें, so which one is the correct code given here to you? World Trade Organization initiates peace process among the member countries to enhance international trade. Is it correct? World Trade Organization avoids the task of settlement of disputes among. No, it's not avoid, it takes. So ये option भी नहीं होगा, ये भी नहीं होगा. World Trade Organization administers trade review mechanism. Yes. World Trade Organization cooperates in the appropriate manner with IMF and World Bank. Yes. So your answer would be 3 and 4 is the correct option for you. 3 and 4. Option C के साथ हम जाएंगे for this question. So with this, I end up this session and these questions are very helpful to you. Again, I'm saying start practicing with me. Those who have joined, we have done lot of sessions already. Go and watch them. The same playlist में आपको सारे sessions मिलेंगे. Till then, have a nice day. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.